Hello, and a hearty welcome back to Natural Remedies Unveiled. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we've got a fascinating topic on the menu. We're about to embark on a journey exploring the 7 mind-blowing benefits of making olive oil a daily part of your life. So, my dear friends, I urge you to grab a notepad, get comfy, and prepare to be amazed, because the incredible world of olive oil is about to unfold before your very eyes. But before we get started, a quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any medical concerns or conditions. 1. Heart health. Alright folks, let's kick things off by delving into the marvellous world of heart health and how olive oil plays a superhero role in keeping our heart in tip-top shape. Olive oil is not your average cooking oil. It's like the James Bond of oils, suave and incredibly effective. One of its key secret agents is monounsaturated fat. Imagine these fats as tiny superheroes donning capes, swooping in to save the day. Monounsaturated fats, found abundantly in olive oil, have this superpower of lowering the levels of LDL cholesterol. That's the bad cholesterol that can clog up our arteries and lead to heart diseases. How do they do it? Well, they're like the charming negotiators in your bloodstream, striking deals with the cholesterol molecules, convincing them to take a less dangerous route out of your system. Olive oil doesn't stop at just reducing LDL cholesterol. It also promotes the production of HDL cholesterol, the good kind. HDL cholesterol acts as a cleanup crew, scavenging the bad guys and escorting them out of your system. 2. Antioxidant properties. Next on our journey through the incredible benefits of olive oil, we arrive at the spectacular realm of antioxidants. Picture this. Inside your body, there's a constant battle between the good guys, your cells, and the bad guys, free radicals. Free radicals are like the troublemakers, causing havoc and potentially leading to chronic diseases. But here's where olive oil swoops in like a caped crusader. Olive oil is a treasure trove of antioxidants, including the mighty vitamin E and polyphenols. These antioxidants are ready to defend your body against the forces of evil. In this case, oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Vitamin E, for example, acts as a shield, protecting your cells from the harmful effects of oxidation. It's like giving your cells a suit of armor to ward off attacks. Meanwhile, polyphenols are the superheroes with a versatile skill set. They not only neutralize free radicals, but also have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting powers. By consuming olive oil regularly, you're essentially inviting a team of superheroes into your body to keep it in tip-top shape. Olive oil isn't just a kitchen staple. It's your body's ally in the never-ending battle against free radicals. 3. Weight management. Alright folks, let's talk about one of the most exciting benefits of olive oil. Its role in helping you maintain a healthy weight. It's like having a secret weapon in your kitchen that keeps you feeling full, satisfied, and on track towards your weight loss goals. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats, and these fats are not your arch nemesis when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. Imagine them as the trusted guards of your appetite, ensuring that you don't overindulge in those tempting snacks. These healthy fats in olive oil send signals to your brain, telling it that you're comfortably full. This sensation of fullness helps you control your cravings and prevents you from reaching for that bag of chips or that extra slice of pizza. But it gets even better. When you feel satisfied and aren't constantly battling hunger pangs, you're more likely to stick to a balanced, calorie-controlled diet. And when you combine this with regular exercise, you're on the fast track to achieving your weight loss goals. 4. Skin and hair benefits. Now, let's take a delightful detour from the internal benefits of olive oil and dive into the realm of beauty. Yes, you heard that right. Olive oil is not just your culinary ally, it's your beauty secret too. Picture this. In your bottle of olive oil, there's a treasure trove of goodness, including vitamin E and a battalion of antioxidants. These little heroes are about to work their magic on your skin and hair, and trust me, the results are nothing short of enchanting. First, let's talk about your skin. Vitamin E is like a nourishing elixir for it. It's a natural moisturizer that hydrates your skin from the inside out, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. The antioxidants in olive oil come to the rescue, shielding your skin from environmental damage and delaying the signs of aging. But the beauty journey doesn't end there. Olive oil is your ticket to having hair that shines like a star. The same vitamin E and antioxidants that pamper your skin also work wonders for your locks. They moisturize your hair, making it silky and manageable. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to a radiant mane. And here's a little bonus. Olive oil can even help with dandruff control and scalp health. It's like a spa day for your scalp, keeping it nourished and flake-free. 5. Cognitive function. Buckle up, folks, because we're about to explore a benefit of olive oil that might just blow your mind. Its potential to supercharge your cognitive function. That's right, olive oil isn't just about delicious flavors. It's also a brain-boosting elixir. Picture this. Inside your head, there's a bustling city of brain cells, and they need protection from the wear and tear of everyday life. This is where the compounds in olive oil step in as your brain's trusty guardians. They're like the superheroes who patrol the streets, keeping your brain cells safe and sound. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These elements are believed to help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is often linked to cognitive decline and neurological disorders. But that's not all. Some studies even suggest that olive oil may have a positive impact on memory and learning. It's like giving your brain a daily workout, helping it stay agile and sharp, even as you age. So, by incorporating olive oil into your diet, you're not just satisfying your taste buds. You're also giving your brain a little boost. It's like fueling up your mental engine for better focus, memory, and overall cognitive function. 6. Digestive health. We've explored some fantastic benefits of olive oil so far, but here's one that often flies under the radar: its remarkable role in promoting digestive health. Yes, you heard it right. Olive oil isn't just for flavor, it's also your secret weapon against digestive woes. Your digestive system is like a well-orchestrated symphony, with various players working in harmony. Sometimes, though, a little assistance is needed to keep things flowing smoothly, and that's where olive oil comes into play. Olive oil has a mild laxative effect, which means it helps keep things moving along in your digestive tract. It's like the friendly traffic officer of your digestive system, ensuring that there are no traffic jams or roadblocks. This gentle nudging aids in digestion and can be particularly helpful in preventing the discomfort of constipation. But that's not all. Olive oil also helps your body absorb essential nutrients more efficiently. It's like unlocking the treasure chest of nutrients in your food and making sure your body gets the most out of every meal. So, by incorporating a bit of olive oil into your diet, you're not just enhancing the flavors of your dishes, you're also supporting a harmonious and comfortable digestive system. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Last but certainly not least, we have a superhero among us, olive oil, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties. This final benefit might just be the icing on the olive oil cake. Picture this. Inside your body, inflammation is like a fire, and chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues. But fret not, olive oil is here to douse those flames. It's like the fearless firefighter, ready to save the day. Olive oil is packed with compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds, including oleocanthal and oleuropein, are like the peacekeepers in your body, calming down the inflammation and preventing it from spiraling out of control. Regular consumption of olive oil can help reduce the overall level of inflammation in your body, which is associated with conditions like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. But the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil also supports your immune system, ensuring that it functions at its best. So, by incorporating olive oil into your daily meals, you're not just adding delicious flavor, you're also harnessing its anti-inflammatory powers to safeguard your health. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible benefits of consuming olive oil every day. Incorporating this liquid gold into your daily routine can do wonders for your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and happy.